Well, Team Campus Concerns visited Manaskriti School in Faridabad, where the junior sections have also joined back school. I filed in a ground report. Let's take a look. So I'm here at Manaskriti School in Faridabad, Sector 82. The school is opened up for the junior wing also. We'll get inside the heads of these junior students and really understand what it feels for them to be finally coming back. Take a look at some co-curricular and performing arts classes. We'll take a look at what the students are doing in their physical recreation period, and what the senior most class here in Manaskriti, the 10th grade that will go on into the 11th grade and the 12th grade, what are they expecting from the boards? Let's go in. Well, we can see that these sanitation protocols are strictly being followed here. Let's get inside and let's see what we have in store for us. The schools have reopened, and the junior schools have also now joined the foray. But the thing is that how much of it can you learn actually inside the classroom? Here at Manaskriti School, these students, these youngsters from the 6th grade are studying outside in the outdoor, in the open. I was speaking to one of the teachers, and they said that it's important that the students also know and feel, what it is to sit on the ground and study, just like how it was in the olden days. Let's speak to a couple of these students and really get a sense of what it feels like coming back to school. Hello, hi, I hope I'm not bothering you.
No problem, sir.
Could you stand up for me, please? Hi, what's your name?
My name is Navra and I am from grade 6.
All right, Navra. It must have been such a long year without school and studies. How does it feel to be back in school with your friends in the classroom?
It's been a long time from not coming to school, but I feel really happy to come to school and study. And we maintain social distancing, wear mask, and do all sanitization. We do our notebooks, we play, we just enjoy studying at the school.
Absolutely. You seem really excited to get back to school. What are you studying today?
We are studying English right now. It's a revision test going on right
Wasn't
now.
wasn't staying back at home in school a much better prospect? I mean, no padai, no kaam, only chutti every day.
No, it's not like that. I love to study and I love to come to school and study because it's a vibe to discipline and just study when ma'am is seeing us.
Tell me about this, this outdoor sitting in the classroom. This doesn't generally happen in other schools. What do you have to say about this?
This is a very good thing to study outdoor, as it is, as we are studying English, so we can write about nature.
That's great. That's actually a good exercise. We also have the teacher with us here that is constantly holding a cell phone because online education is still not out of the equation completely. So, ma'am, tell us, walk us through about how important it is to, teach these students in the classroom with an outdoor setting and those back at home also. How has that experience been for you as a teacher?
Okay, so it has been like for us, everything is a multitasking these days. We are doing online classes also. We are in the classrooms also, and we are on the outdoor Abhimanch also. So it is a combined studies structure that we are really experiencing over here at Manaskriti. And I'm really very glad to be a part of it. Definitely we have to maintain the balance because we have to go with the online classes also, and we are taking care of these children. But definitely this outdoor setting is beneficial, as the girl said, Avika just pointed out, that in the outdoor setting they are really opened with lots and lots of new ideas which they can implement in their writing. So this
Absolutely.
is something which is very new, and we all are. Even the children are also enjoying, and we teachers are, of course, enjoying it.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. These students and the teacher here are clearly in favor of, sitting outside in the outdoors where actually, most of the education happens. There's a lot of perspective that the student gathers. And what better an age to start doing this than 6th grade at a young age when the children are still impressionable, moldable. You make them sit out. The students here are quite smart. They know about, sanitization. They know about social distancing. But the actual truth is that this is a unique concept, and hats off to Manaskriti for that. All right, so these students here were in a physical recreation class. I'm going to go in and ask them if they can, divide me into one of these teams, and I can probably do a little kickabout. And after that, maybe we can speak to them as well. Well, these kids here were exercising, were playing a good game of football, and now I've gathered them around. Let's quickly talk to them and really get an idea about what it feels like coming back to school and playing sports with your classmates. Hello, hi, what's your name?
Navya Jain.
So Navra, what does it feel like coming back to school? मजा आ रहा है आप लोगों को अपने दोस्तों के साथ वापस kick about करने में?
Sir, it is too fun to come back to school and we are feeling very good.
Absolutely, absolutely. What's your name?
My name is Kashmira.
How important is it to, exercise? COVID में कोई exercise नहीं कर रहा था, बच्चे सब घर में थे. Now that everybody is coming out, you're coming back to school and these physical recreation classes are happening. How important do you think these are?
I think these are very important because at home people have become so fat and have lost most of their energies and have become very fat.
How do you keep yourself so fit, sir?
I go to play badminton every day for at least 1 hour. Exams are coming, but still I try to get some time out for playing.
Well, that's really responsible and really good. What's your name?
My name is Ramandeep.
So, Ramandeep, you have a good touch on the football. Do you play otherwise as well?
Yeah, I play. I've joined the football academy once, and I've played with so many players. And
Sir, I feel really nice coming back to school, and I think with the studies, sports is also equally important.
Do you feel the same, sir?
yes,
Well, he was the goalkeeper. He saved some good shots. But there you have it. The students right here, they feel that sports is, a really important aspect. And most of them were having fun here. Thank you so much, kids, for having me here and letting me play sports with you guys. So we all know that studying is, of course, an important aspect of how a child grows up. But performing arts is also equally important. Here at Manaskriti School, they give equal weightage to what, kind of performing arts the students should then get indulged in. Let's go inside. Let's check out what these young boys and girls are doing, what they're singing. I can hear some singing sounds. Let's see what's happening. Well, so do you see these are students here. They're probably breaking into rhythm. Let's try and speak to the teacher and see what we can do. Hello, teacher. Hello. Ma'am, it must have been so amazing to see these students come back into school. और ये यहाँ पर आके अब मज़ा आ रहा होगा कि सब बच्चे गा रहे हैं और स्कूल वापस शुरू होगा क्योंकि जूनियर सेक्शंस एक्चुअली स्कूल को बनाते हैं.
एक्चुअली सर सभी को पता है, सभी लोग जानते हैं कि म्यूज़िक एक अपने आप में ही इतना अच्छा टैलेंट है कि इसको जो भी गाते हैं गा के खुद ही इतना अच्छा महसूस होता है कि वापस हम सबको इतना अच्छा लग रहा है कि मतलब जो जिस रूम में कभी आवाज़ नहीं आती थी, काफ़ी टाइम से बंद पड़ा हुआ था, आज उनसे गानों की आवाज़ आ रही है तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है.
बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के. कुछ बच्चों से भी यहाँ पर बात करते हैं और देखते हैं कि व्हाट द किड्स एक्चुअली फील अबाउट इट. ये हमारे छोटे तानसेन साहब यहाँ पे सबसे अलग बैठे हुए हैं. लेट्स फर्स्ट गेट इन अ रिएक्शन फ्रॉम दिस लिटिल गाय. व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Vedanta. from
So-
grade 7, Manaskriti School.
all right, Vedanta. So, how does it feel coming back to school? यहाँ पे क्या कौन सा भजन गा रहे थे, कौन सा song गा रहे थे?
Actually, in this school, we are very interested in this PA room. Actually, the PA room was shut down, and now we came in the school and we started this songs and bhajans.
So there you go. Offline and online education, not just for hardcore mathematics and sciences, but you also have kids here who are really interested in, music, but couldn't really understand what the teachers was actually saying because of connectivity problems and all of that. Right? Is that so? So you see, I remember going back to home from my school, humming songs that I learned back in the day in my classroom, in my school. And those little memories always stay across with us throughout life. Ma'am here rightly said that this room must have been so quiet, एकदम शांत, लेकिन अब यहाँ से गाने की आवाज़ आ रही है. The whole room is breaking into music. Let's not disturb them anymore. Sorry to disturb you, ma'am. Just like the performing arts, visual arts is equally important for a child to grow and gather perspective. Here at Manaskriti, these kids that I can see here are also working on something, and this is essentially the visual arts class. Now, the teacher has been kind enough to let me in, but let's go over and speak to a couple of students and get an idea about how important they feel visual arts is. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Hello, sir. Namaskar. I am good. I am Naman Agarwal.
Oh, you're Naman Agarwal, and you're good. What are you doing today, Naman?
I am cutting the flowers
Okay.
for the board.
For the board decoration. So essentially, this update that is happening is you are constantly doing it. That's great work. That's a good cut, by the way.
My name is Bhavishya Velicha.
Okay.
I am rolling the flowers
Okay.
and pasting the flowers.
Okay, you're rolling them and you're pasting them. Let's also speak to the teacher here. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, what's your name?
Harvinder Kaur.
So, Ms. Harvinder, could you tell us the importance of visual arts when a child is actually growing?
Actually, they learn here so many creative things. They learn about the artists here in this school, and so especially from the waste material and eco-friendly material they use in Manaskriti school.
Okay, so there is a lot of emphasis that is given over, eco-friendly material and recycling the, all the waste material that is going into, it's actually going into waste.
That is done. Actually, we are having organic farm also.
Okay.
Yeah, in
Okay,
our
so
school. Huh.
so the school, harvests rainwater and then irrigates the organic farmlands.
Yeah.
That's amazing. See, now this is the actual holistic growth that parents should look forward to when you're looking at these schools where organic farming is being done, where the children are decorating the school with recyclable materials, with waste materials. You truly get a sense that this school has really put itself together and you can connect all dots in retrospect that the student will get a holistic view. So here at Manaskriti School, the 10th grade is the senior most grade in the school. This is the same grade that will go on to become the 11th graders. This is the same grade that will go on to become the 12th graders. Being a fairly new school, this happens to be the topmost priority here in this school. And lo and behold, the same section, the same grade is also going to go for their board examinations. Hello, sir. What's your name?
So my name is Harsh Sharma, and I'm from Manaskriti School, as you know, grade 10th.
All right. So Harsh, are you confident about the curriculum? I know ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा साल हमारा घर पे निकला है, but now that all of us are here and we are studying, how confident are you with the curriculum? Do you think that there are parts of the syllabus that have been left out or something?
Yeah, as we all know that when we were in grade 9th, the previous year, the school and the CBSE board as well as deducted some part, but school, our Jyoti Bhalla ma'am, our principal ma'am, didn't deducted it, as she also knew that it is going to be coming into our grade 10th exams, as we studied today only the polynomials chapter we did.
So, are you excited to see all your, friends back in the
Like in
school?
online classes, we usually see most of them are like blurring out, cutting voices. But in offline classes, we are mostly in contact with each other. In the class, we can have most of the conversation that we cannot have online. So basically, I prefer offline classes as we have fun also. We get most of the better studies also, and we don't need any devices to damage our eyes and hearing sounds.
That's right. Thank you so much. And you, it seems like this guy here wants to just get out of the class, pick up his school bat, and probably go for a little, little knockabout in the nets. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Manik Dagar.
So, Manik, you tell me about, how has it been coming back to school? Are you confident about writing the board examinations?
Yeah, I am.
Well, that didn't sound very confident.
Yes.
It doesn't matter. I'm sure you'll do good. So these are the students here in this class. Let's also speak to the teacher here. Hello, ma'am.
Namaskar, sir. I'm Dr. Vani Chawla. I'm a physics educator here, plus the academy coordinator. So I really feel that offline classes are the best way to make them understand the concepts because they are, sitting in front of us, and there's no concept of, Zoom, all these devices. So I really feel, and everybody is coming in Manaskriti. All the students are coming on the regular basis.
And ma'am, what kind of a mental toll this has taken on the teachers? We all know that students have had to face a lot, but the teachers have had to travel from, far away places and manage households at home also. How has it been the experience for the teachers?
No, it was a big challenge for everyone, but yes, we all are always ready to accept the challenge, sir.
Those are strong and courageous words coming from the teacher here at Manaskriti. The students feel like they're confident, they're studying here, and only time will tell. But the story right now is that they feel confident. The school is taking utmost care about the sanitation process. They're following all sorts of COVID norms. It's great to see these guys back again. The classes are hustling and bustling. There is music coming out. Some students are playing football outside. It's school time back again. School is in session. Regardless, everybody is still waiting for a recess. So I'm joined here by the headmaster of Manaskriti School, Mrs. Vijaya Sethi, and ever since the school has been coming back in session, what are the challenges that the school is facing? What are the positives? What are the negatives? Let's get down into that. Thank you so much for giving us time, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And I would say that the challenge was online. Now the challenges are over for us because now the children have started coming to school, which is a boon in disguise for everybody. There is so much of noise, there's so much of buzzing. I mean, the entire campus has come to life. So again, as I said, to inculcate Indian values, it's very easy to just do chalk the talk. But you have to walk the path that you want to inculcate. So our pre-primary wing is called Anmol. Our primary wing is called Amod. Our secondary wing is called Akar. And the senior most batch of children are called Anant. So the moment you get these kind of words into the dialect of the children, they also tend to appreciate the language. All our sections of our schools are based on the 5 elements of nature: Ambar, Vayu, Prithvi, Neer, Pavak. So the school in full capacity also will have only 5 sections to each class, and children would also tend to appreciate the 5 elements of the universe.
And learn about those elements as well. Thank you so much, Mrs. Vijaya Sethi, for taking out time. For all our viewers here, I'm just going to leave you with this little nice poem by Dr. Robert Frost. This little poem that says here, "These woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep." So right behind me, the organic farming is being done, and here in Manuskriti, they also have a rain harvesting area as well. We spoke to the teachers. They're confident about the students, going in. They feel that the offline classes is the way to go. Nothing can substitute offline education. We spoke to a couple of youngsters. They were studying outside in the outdoors, really, happy about coming back to school. We spoke to these kids who were playing in the football field. All of that on this edition of Campus Concerns. We'll visit another school next week as well. Stay tuned.